Hello everyone, myself Mitesh Savalya from Praveen Patil Polytechnic, lecturer in Electrical Engineering Department. In the previous video, we have studied about the introduction of the smart city, features of the smart city, and core infrastructure that are involved in a smart city. So, smart city should have each and every services along with smart solutions. Now, in this video, we are going to study the components of the smart city. What are the major components involved to form a smart city? So, there are four major components that are responsible for the formation of smart city. First is retrofitting, second is redevelopment, third is greenfield development, and fourth is pen city development. So now we will see one by one all these factors, how they affect the development of a smart city is. First is retrofitting. It will introduce a planning in an existing built up area to achieve smart city objective along with other objective to make the existing area more efficient and livable. Retrofitting means a planning of existing built up area to achieve a smart city objectives. Along with the smart city objectives, this planning will help to achieve the other objective also, which makes the existing area more efficient and livable. In retrofitting, an area consisting of more than 500 acres will be identified by the city in consultation with the citizens. Depending on existing level of infrastructure services in the identified area, the vision of resident and the cities will be prepared a strategy to become a smart. That means if we have already an area which have the things which involves in the smart city, but that things should be properly planned and also implemented with the smart solutions which will form a smart city. So if you can see it is clearly mentioned that it will introduce a planning. A planning will be introduced in where? In an existing area to achieve a smart city objective along with the other objective, which makes existing area more livable and efficient. In retrofitting, with the help of the local citizens, the area which is more than 500 acres will be identified. Depending on the existing level of infrastructure services in that area, the vision of resident, the cities will be prepared a strategy to become a smart. So this is called as a retrofitting. Next is redevelopment. It will affect a replacement of existing built up environment and enable co-creation of new layout with enhanced infrastructure using mixed land use and increased density. That means we will take an example of a 4-story building, that means building having a 4 floors, but due to the demand of the other residents, we will redevelop this building of 4th floor into the 8th floor. So this process is called as a redevelopment. So it will affect a replacement. Redevelopments means replacements. Replacement of what? Replacement of existing built up area or existing built up environment which is enhanced of co-creation of new layout with enhanced infrastructure using mixed land and increased density. Greenfield development. It will introduce most of the smart solutions in a previously vacant area using innovative planning. Plan financing and plan implementation tool with a provision of affordable house especially for the poor. This means it will introduce a most of the smart solutions in the vacant area with the help and with the innovative ideas like planning, plan financing, and a plan implementation with the provision of affordable housing especially for the poor. So as we told that each and every people in the smart city should have their own house, but it is not necessary that each and every people will afford a rich or a costly homes. So for the poor people we need to develop a affordable house, and that development is called as a greenfield development. Next is Pen City development. In envisages application of selected smart solution to existing city-wide infrastructure. Application of smart solution will involve the use of technology, information and data to make infrastructure and service better. For example, applying a smart solution in a transport sector like intelligent traffic management system and reducing average commute time or a cost of citizens will have positive effects on productivity and quality of life of citizens. This means intelligent signal traffic signal control. No traffic police will be required to control the traffic of the smart city. This is called as a development, Pen City development. This is an example of Pen City development. Next example we can take is water waste recycling and a smart metering, which can make a huge contribution to a better water management in the city. So it will reduce a water wastage in the smart city or our city, so that the other people can also get a proper water supply. A smart city proposal is expected to be encapsulated either a retrofitting or a redevelopment or a greenfield development model or a mixed thereof, and a Pen City feature with a smart solution. And first three components are major components to develop a smart city, that means retrofitting, redevelopment and greenfield development. These three are the major components of a smart city, but Pen City development is important factor or an additional feature in the smart city. So this was all about the component of the smart city. If you have any doubt, you can call me or you can message me. Yeah, sorry, we left with the one slide. Objective of smart city. What are the objectives of smart city is promote cities that provide core infrastructure and give decent quality of life of its citizens. That means a city which provides us a core infrastructure as well as a good quality of living in that city. A clean and sustainable environment and application of smart solution in which a focus is on sustainable and inclusive development and idea to look at the compact areas. Create a replicable model which will act like a lighthouse to other aspiring cities. So this was all about objective and component of the smart city. If you have any doubt, you can call me or you can message me. Thank you.